Ever feel overwhelmed by the stock market? Confused by all those investing apps with interfaces that look like they were designed by aliens? You're not alone. For many, the world of finance feels like an exclusive club with a secret handshake. But what if I told you there was a platform making investing accessible, affordable, and even, dare I say, fun? That's where Wealthsimple comes in. It's been popping up everywhere lately, and with good reason. But what exactly is it, and why is it becoming so popular? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Wealthsimple and unpacking the reasons why it's changing the investing game. From robo-advisor to all-in-one financial hub. Wealthsimple started out as a robo-advisor. Basically, it uses fancy algorithms to build a personalized investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. No need to be a financial whiz, you answer a few questions, and Wealthsimple does the rest, automatically rebalancing your portfolio and keeping your money working for you. This robo-advisor approach was a game-changer, especially for young investors who might not have the time or knowledge to pick individual stocks. But Wealthsimple didn't stop there. They realized that managing your money is about more than just investing. They wanted to create a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Commission-free trading? Yes, please. Enter Wealthsimple Trade. This is their commission-free stock and ETF trading platform. No more getting nickel and dimed every time you buy or sell. This makes Wealthsimple super attractive to active investors who want to take more control of their portfolios without breaking the bank on fees. High interest savings? They've got that too. Wealthsimple isn't just about growing your money for the future, it's also about maximizing your everyday cash. Their savings account offers a super competitive interest rate, meaning your spare change is actually growing instead of languishing in a traditional low-interest account. Making saving feel like a game, and who doesn't love games? Here's where Wealthsimple gets interesting. They understand that sometimes saving and investing can feel like a chore. That's why they've gamified the process with features like Auto Invest, which lets you automatically invest your spare change, rounding up every purchase to the nearest dollar and putting the difference towards your goals. They've even got a program that rewards you with stock for your everyday banking activities. Investing education made simple and engaging. Wealthsimple knows that financial literacy is key. They offer a ton of free educational resources, from articles and videos to webinars, all designed to break down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand language. No more financial jargon making your head spin. A platform built for the mobile generation. Let's face it, most of us live our lives glued to our phones. Wealthsimple gets that. Their app is sleek, intuitive, and puts all your financial needs, investing, saving, and learning, right at your fingertips. But is Wealthsimple right for you? While Wealthsimple offers a compelling suite of features, it's important to understand that it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. If you're a seasoned investor who craves advanced research tools and charting options, Wealthsimple Trade might feel a bit basic. Additionally, Wealthsimple primarily focuses on automated investing and ETFs, so if you're interested in picking individual stocks with high volatility, you might need to look elsewhere. The final verdict: Wealthsimple is democratizing investing. Love it or hate it, Wealthsimple is